Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Fidelity Bank shares. First, you'll need to open a brokerage account. This is your gateway to the stock market. Once your account is set up, fund it with the capital you plan to invest. Next, research Fidelity Bank's stock symbol, often called a ticker, and its current trading price. This information is crucial for your purchase. With your account funded, use your brokerage platform to locate Fidelity Bank's stock. You'll then decide how many shares you wish to buy. Consider your budget and investment goals. Finally, choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. After purchasing your shares, it's important to monitor your investment. Keep an eye on Fidelity Bank's performance and any relevant news that might impact its stock price. Understanding market fluctuations will help you make informed decisions. You might also consider setting stop-loss orders to help protect your capital from significant downturns. For long-term success, regularly rebalance your investment portfolio. This ensures your asset allocation remains aligned with your financial goals. Reinvesting dividends, if Fidelity Bank pays them, can significantly compound your returns over time, helping your wealth grow faster. Remember to check the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. This can be a valuable resource for your financial journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.